Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install Landing CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System, a tool used by both professional designers and do-it-yourself to create and manage content on a website. Using an easy-to-use interface, enable users to manipulate their content. Landing CMS is a flat CMS, meaning it does not run on a database. Dependencies are Apache Web Server, PHP, and its modules. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to download the Landing CMS by using following command. Next, I'm going to extract the downloaded package by using following command. Landing CMS is extracted. Next, I'm going to move the extracted files to the Apache home directory. Next, I'm going to change the ownership for this CMS directory. Next, I'm going to change the permission for the CMS directory. Next, I'm going to create a virtual host for the Landing CMS. I have given the document root directory in Apache home directory. After completely editing this file, press escape :WQ for save and exit from the file. Now I'm going to disable the default virtual host file. Next, I'm going to enable the virtual host of the Landing CMS. Next, I'm going to restart the Apache web server. Next, I'm going to make the host entry for the virtual host domain. After completion, press escape :WQ for save and exit from the file. Now go to the browser, ping the server address. Click go to CMS button. Create any password. Now create any content. Click Save. That's all. By this, how to install Landing CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.